Hey YouTube family, this video is just some clips of the week when I just unplugged for a week. I went to church. Well, had started that Saturday morning. Jonathan had bought me the Magnolia magazine, and with that magazine I just enjoyed just focusing on one thing, just what the articles were about and not scrolling, and it was just nice to just focus in a book, which was a magazine, Magnolia. And anyway, so it started that way. I just felt like I was in the living room with Joanna Gaines and just enjoying her sharing things from the stories in her magazine. And so it kind of started there, and the other unction was just that I was wanting to get closer to God, and I felt like I was just not as close to God as I had been before in my life, and so I just figured maybe unplugging might help. Unplugging was good for the week. I learned, like I said, unplugging was good for the week. I had learned that journaling is really helpful for me. I had done that quite most of my life since I was 16, but here for a while I just been doing like video diaries instead, and it's not the same as journaling and writing down my prayers to God or my thanksgivings to God. Just writing it down is just a different process in my mind than doing a video, and it just helps me feel closer to God when I do journal about things. So about things going on in my life or things I'm thankful for. And so I did learn that, and so since my week of unplugging, I have started journaling more, and that is something I'm trying to be more mindful of. And it's also a way for my mind to just rest and settle. And so that was one thing I learned. The other thing I learned was to just not be in a rush, because my downtime looked different. Like when I would come home from, I'd get off work and then I'd go pick up my boys as normal, and then we'd come home, and my downtime was not trying to hurry up and do everything so I could get to my phone and look at YouTube videos or Instagram or whatever. My rest time just looked different. I was looking at magazines. I was sometimes I would read in my son's history book. I was starting to really enjoy reading about histories and things that I had not remembered. And it's just from a Christian point of view, because his history book is with a Becca curriculum with the school that he goes to. And so I was enjoying to read that. I was enjoying just looking at magazines. And my downtime was just so much slower. And then I did bring in the Bible devotion and prayer some. A lot of times I would just lay on my couch and fall asleep too. I just got a lot more rest. Or I took a deep nap, a deep rest. It wasn't always falling asleep. So that was good to know, just that I didn't have to rush through. Like, so when I picked up my boys from my parents' house, I took the time to really enjoy being at my parents' house and visiting with them, and saying, instead of saying, hey, I gotta go, I got to unpack lunches, I got to get them reset, I got to do dinner, I got to take a shower, I got to do homework with Caleb, all these things, and so that I can get to my downtime. Instead, it was like my downtime looked so slow and just so calming and restful that I was not really in the rush to get to it, because it wasn't going to be stimulating my mind as much as like the phone. It wasn't like a endorphin kicker as much. It was more like just a calming effect. And so I wasn't rushing to get home. So I took the time to just visit with my mom and dad more. And I really am so glad that I am doing that now. So now when I pick up the boys, I don't rush off, even though I do plug in the evenings if I want to, depending on what's going on or how much time I have, or I might just plug in a little bit. But now when I pick up the boys from my parents' house, and then my other son is at my sister's house, because he homeschools there. But when I pick them up, I just take time to visit with both my sister at her house and my parents at their house, and I'm not trying to rush off and get home. And it's just good because I'm really enjoying a relationship with them more so, and not just asking for their help and picking up the kids from school or thank you for homeschooling my son. I went inside and visited with Annette, my sister, the other day, and I was telling her how I was enjoying reading Caleb's history book, and she just loaned me a couple of history books because she's got lots of curriculum with homeschooling, and she had said, I mean, she just might not even need it back. I mean, it's just really neat that even, you know, just visiting with her, and here I come out with a couple of history books that I can read, and because I stopped to take the time to visit, and I didn't ask for them, she just volunteered them, so it was really sweet of her. So yeah, this video is mostly just some clips from that week that I unplugged. I did do videos, but that's like family, but that's different, you know, and I didn't put it together or anything. I was just doing clips of videos of what we did that week. And so I hope you enjoy watching that, and I encourage you to take some time to unplug every now and then, or even if you do it for 3 days and see what it's like and see how, you know, what God is teaching you through that time of unplugging. But blessings, and I hope you have a wonderful evening. Bye. Out here at my parents' house at the pretty valley. Out here at my granddaddy's, at my mom and dad's house, and I hear my papa, hear my dad playing with Caleb. They're playing basketball. Hey! Cool. Or actually, they're playing dude perfect basketball thing. It's pretty cool. Oh boy! Here's Papa. Hey! Out here at Nana and Papa's house. Papa got this for them to play with. That's really nice. I love that. What's that called, Caleb? Too perfect something? Well, you got both of them? Or they go in and out? You got it, man. You can do this. Oh, you got the top. Good job.
Very good, very good.
They need more air. Oh, okay. Caleb's birthday's Monday, and he's wanting a basketball hoop. He was... Yeah. Good job, Ed. like this song.
Yeah, but those were more like iPad.
Take care. Bye.